All right, guys, it's wet and dark outside. I've got a cold, and that just means one thing. It's fall, and nobody likes to hear that. So today we've got some Bespoke Post fall-inspired boxes to get you through that cold weather. That includes this bomber jacket that's keeping me from freezing my butt off. So let's check it out. First box is a little bit of old school tech. This is the glow box from Bespoke Post because everything else is going to be clothing, something you're probably not used to, something I'm not used to, but they're super comfy. So let's get started. Take this out. See what we got here. This is a little different style I'm doing today. It's going to be pure live, no voiceovers. Not something I'm used to because I'm not very good at talking live. Ooh. So this is a collection that Bespoke Post has worked with. They call Into Concrete. Basically, they create a bunch of furniture or decor made of concrete. So this space here is made of a solid slab of concrete. It's exclusive design to Bespoke Post. You've got some brass hardware. Do we have to remove that? I guess not. It's a braided cord. So this whole thing, the idea is that you don't have to hide it. The braided cord, the concrete, the brass, it all works together on your table. Let's set that up. There is a dimmer switch. That's plastic, but let's set up the bulb. Ooh, reminds me of Einstein kind of bulb. Let's screw that in. There is some cardboard in between the brass. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to remove that, but let's plug it in and see if it explodes. It's in. Pretty bright. It's just a nice kind of table piece. Read, watch, shoot videos with, I guess. Got a nice warm glow. But that's it. If you're really into like hipster, trendy furniture, decor, solid slab concrete, it's fairly well weighted. You got a warm bulb. I guess you can use any bulb you want. A wrapped cord, dimmer to go less or more. And $45, you get this whole set with the bulb. Is it worth it? For this type of furniture, real concrete, yeah, I think so. If you go to the Into Concrete website, they do a bunch of concrete furniture materials. Just a bowl they sell for $60. So for $45, you get a little bit of tech, a little bit of light. Worth. Next up, I can't throw this because it's gonna explode. Now, before we get to the next box, I wanna talk about how Bespoke Post works because not only do you get 20% off with my coupon code, it can be very customized to what you like. It's free to join. That's the first thing you wanna know. Then it gets into questionnaires. It basically runs through a series of questions to determine what you like or may not like. Barware mixology, not interested because I don't drink. Home decor, open to try. Style accessories, yes, because I'm very stylish. Music and tech gear, very interested. Well, bam, and there you go. It takes you to a page and it suggests all these boxes for you. And the best part is it tells you exactly what you're gonna get in each box. They're all $45 and they're all gonna be valued at more than $45 though. So a range of boxes to choose from, pick the one you like. They'll send you at the beginning of every month. The best part is you don't have to do it every month. It is an opt-out service. So you will be charged if you don't decide to opt out, but their customer service is amazing. Yeah, I'm terrible at selling things, but let's continue on to the next box. Oh, and 20% off your first box using my code down below. So check out this next box. This is the layers box. There we go. This is the Mendon City knitted toque. They're New York based designers. Very simple too. It's a wool blend, so it's insulated and it's breathable. Yeah, definitely breathable. For a big head like mine, it fits just fine. Comfy, wool, if you're into that. It can get very warm, which is great in the winter, but right now I'm sweating my butt off. Next up, line of trade. This is their flannel shirt. For anyone that doesn't know flannel, it's very thick and very warm. Very soft. Chest pocket, but really the test is, will it fit? Answer? Yes, it will. The best thing about these flannel shirts are they're casual, formal. You can wear it tucked in, buttoned up, buttoned down with a t-shirt, a sweater over it. A lot of different styles to work with, and it's very warm and very soft. Chest pocket, and you know, it's a thick material, so it's very durable. I think I'm gonna leave this one on, even though I'm sweating buckets. Comes in a range of colors. You can see them here. Hopefully I remember to put that up. I've got this red and blue, white one. Very nice, like a lumberjack kind of deal. Combined with the hat, I mean, fall, got nothing on me. Next one came in this pizza looking bag, but as you already know, I already put it on and took it off, and there it is. This is the Bomber jacket in the Aviator box. Lightly padded, very soft on the outside. You got this kind of satin finish on the inside. It's like bed sheets. It's ribbed around all the collars, so it kind of fits really snugly. And it's designed to be a little shorter, so it's not gonna overextend over your waist. Fits tightly, will fit tightly around the neck as well. Very simple jacket. There's only 2 pockets on the side. And sometimes that's all you need, and that's all you should have. Keeps it nice and warm, lightly padded. And my girlfriend's gonna love holding me in this because it's so soft. Comes in this deep sea color and a moss green as well. I prefer the deep sea. Nice and kind of fits with a lot of other things. I'm sweating in this hat. Brass gold zipper, a nice contrast to the blue. Simple, comfortable. $45 for this jacket. I mean, you can't go wrong. This is a perfect fall jacket to keep you warm, and it's not too heavy to carry with you. So, last box. This is probably my favorite one because this is the swagger kit, and what's inside? That was a terrible entry. A bunch of socks. I never buy socks for myself. It's usually just white generic ones. These are all made by Etiquette Clothers. They're made in Italy. You get 3 standard ones, one of them including this, which is a merino cashmere wool blend. They're soft, they're super lightweight, and they're moisture wicking. So if you're like a foot sweater like I am, these are great. They won't smell as much if you sweat a lot, but they're super comfy and they'll keep you warm. That's what's important, because your toes, my toes, they get cold real quick. There's a bunch of other designs. This Ropinga design is extra thick. It's got this kind of white orange pattern on it. It's made from a 2-ply of cotton and nylon thread, I believe. A little extra durable, thicker. So for those really cold nights in the fall, winter, these are great socks. And you really can only appreciate socks when you're older, like I'm getting. Socks as a gift is great because they work well in any situation. You can kind of dress up, dress down, wear it with jeans, wear the dress pants, wear it to work, wear it to a formal event, or wear it in bed, you know, because my feet get cold in bed too. In terms of value, just looking at their Etiquette website, each pair is about 20 bucks and you're getting 6 pairs here for $45. You'll have socks for like years to come. Very good value on this box specifically. Can't go wrong. That's it, guys. 4 boxes to choose from: light bulb, socks, flannel and toque, or this really nice bomber jacket. All $45 each, but each box you're getting more than $45 in value, especially these socks, like I said earlier. Smells great too. 20% code down below. Maybe these boxes aren't for you, but they'll suggest a whole other list of boxes for you. Making an account is free. You don't have to commit to anything. It's a win-win. It really is. That's it. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. This light is really bright in my eye. Leave a comment down below what box is your favorite. I rest my socks.